Introducing the Holland Floor Plan by Olive & Oak Custom Homes. The design of this 1.5-story home is one of intention, functionality, aesthetic, and luxury finishings. Through a grand 8-foot glass entry door, you're welcomed into a foyer that sets the tone for the rest of this masterpiece with custom picture frame wall treatment. The great room boasts 11-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling picture views, a cast fireplace, and built-in bookcases. A seamless transition to the adjoined dinette is ideal for making memories. The dinette features 10-foot ceilings, a built-in buffet, and double Anderson sliding doors to a quiet covered patio. The front-facing picture window draws your eye to the kitchen, where you'll find custom-painted maple cabinetry, quartz countertops, ceramic tile backsplash with under-cabinet outlets and accent lighting, a functional island, and an integrated walk-in pantry with coffee and appliance bar. The main floor is a split-bedroom concept with the primary bedroom on one side and 3 bedrooms with 2 full bathrooms on the other. The primary offers a cathedral ceiling and an ensuite with a beautiful double vanity with tons of storage and a walk-in shower. A gorgeous office for the work-at-home professional, both stunning built-ins, a cathedral ceiling, and abundant natural light. Walking through this home will leave you in awe of the gorgeous design with attention to every detail. Don't miss your chance to see it for yourself. Call Dana Botteren for more details and find your way home today.